Hello, this is Mike. Here we are testing one sort of a 5 ton per day flake ice machine. The machine can make 5 tons of ice flakes within every 24 hours. It's equipped with a Refcomp piston compressor. This water-cooled condenser. Here, the condenser is collected with a water cooling tower here. This is the evaporator. Okay, the machine is in function. Let's check the quality of the ice flakes made by the machine. Well frozen ice flakes. Perfect ice flakes with very good cooling performance. That is the machine number 1. Here the machine number 2. This is the number 2 machine. The same 5 tons a day. And these two machines will be working together. These two machines will share the same ice storage room. Ice flakes will fall into the steam ice room and be kept inside. I will ask the customer to make the video to show his project after he finished everything.